In the cool factory, the YouTube silver play button continues to be prepared for creators with 100,000 subscribers. The production atmosphere looks active and organized. This award becomes a symbol of a channel's long journey. Many creators start from 0 subscribers. The first upload may not get many views, but slowly viewers begin to arrive. Subscribers increase little by little. Sometimes it grows slowly, sometimes it jumps quickly. Some even check the dashboard every morning first. The silver play button becomes an important target. 100,000 subscribers is finally achieved. The official award is getting ready. Unit by unit is prepared for creators. The factory continues preparing the next awards. The silver play button will soon move to the next stage. This is how the factory process works. 100,000 subscribers. Sometimes it starts by uploading a video that you watch yourself first. The cool YouTube silver play button factory begins operating to prepare the awards. Inside this modern factory, the atmosphere looks busy and well organized. This award is given to creators who reach 100,000 subscribers. The journey to that number is not always fast. The first video might only get a few viewers, but slowly the channel begins to grow. Content after content keeps getting uploaded. Viewers start to come in. Subscribers increase little by little. Some grow slowly, others suddenly jump. Sometimes creators even check their subscriber count every hour. The silver play button becomes a symbol of a big achievement. This award is not just an ordinary plaque. It is proof of consistency in creating content. From simple videos to a channel becoming recognized, 100,000 subscribers becomes an important target. The official award is prepared in this factory. The cool factory process once again prepares the YouTube silver play button for creators who reach 100,000 subscribers. This award becomes a symbol of channel growth. The long journey finally reaches an important stage. The channel begins to be recognized more widely. Loyal viewers start to form. Content becomes more consistent. Subscribers continue to increase beyond the initial target. Sometimes, viewer comments arrive before the next video. The silver play button becomes proof of the creator's hard work. 100,000 subscribers is not a small number. Many channels strive to reach this target. The official award is getting ready. The factory continues preparing the next units. The journey toward distribution is getting closer. The final process of the YouTube silver play button has finally completed the production stage. The award for creators with 100,000 subscribers is ready for distribution. Each unit is neatly prepared. The journey to the YouTube office will begin soon. The silver play button carries the symbol of a creator's achievement. The number of channels receiving the award continues to grow. Many creators are waiting for the official package. Some have already prepared a spot on the wall. This award becomes a special moment. The silver play button is ready to move to the shipping stage. The journey from the factory is almost complete. The award will soon be received by the creator. 100,000 subscribers
Here is
becomes
the
the
YouTube
start
Creator
of a new
Award
step.
delivery. Perfect, thank you. I'll take it from here.